Now well done, no. I dey greet una. Abeg, my name na Nsika Antia, and this channel na SabiMakeAm channel. You fit do any of these things wey we dey learn here from your house. I wan make you learn well because this thing na something wey you fit do for your house. We don dey do plenty things, so abeg make you try subscribe to our channel so that you go learn how to do some of the things wey we don make before. Like we don do hair cream here, we don do aftershave, we don do air freshener. Today we even learn how to make insecticide. Now we wan learn how to make toilet wash. Abeg subscribe to our channel so that you go fit learn how to make all these things for your house. Okay, we get plenty things wey we wan use do all these things, all the ingredients, all the gogo tea wey we fit use do all these things. Abeg for the next segment we go look at one or two things wey we fit use make this toilet wash for your house. Thank you. And I welcome. So the things wey we fit use do this toilet wash, number one na wetin we know as SLS. SLS na wetin we know as sodium laurate sulfate. Wetin I call am sodium laurate sulfate. This na wetin go make your toilet wash foam well. E go make, as you dey put am for your toilet, e go help to also clean the toilet. Na foaming agent we dey call this one. The next thing wey we go use na wetin we know as nitrosol. Nitrosol. E dey like powder. Na wetin go make your toilet wash thick well. E go thicken am. As you dey pour am inside, e no go dey water. Another thing wey we go use here na sulfonic. Sulfonic na another cleaning agent. Apart from the fact say e dey make am foam well, e go give am lather. Another thing wey e dey do na to make am clean, to make the toilet also clean. Another thing wey we go use here na wetin we know as Texapon. This one dey like paste. E dey pasty in nature, but na wetin go also give your toilet wash foam. As you dey use am, e go make the toilet, as you put the brush dey wash am, e go make am foam well. When something foam, e dey also help to clean. So I fit call am cleaning agent and also foaming agent. Another thing wey be very important ingredient here na wetin we know as soda ash. Soda ash na cleaning agent. Na very important cleaning agent wey be say if you add am for your toilet wash, e go make am clean well. E go comot all the dirty wey dey inside. Okay, e get one other ingredient wey dey, but e never dey here because I don put am for water already. Na wetin we know as caustic soda, wey we know for English or for chemical name as sodium hydroxide. That one we don put am for water since 2 days ago. You fit put am for 1 day, you fit put am for 2 days. You leave am there. That process we dey call am fermentation process. So I don ferment that one finish. So wetin we be say, when we ready to do the processing, na just to bring am come use am. Another thing wey dey here na hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid na strong acid. So this is the concentrated one. So before we use am, we go dilute am. Na wetin we go use. E get some things wey dey important for this toilet wash. E get others wey no dey important. Like this perfume. You know say your toilet wash is suppose dey scent well. Your toilet suppose dey smell nice. So I go add small perfume for my own, wey be say if you use am, e go smell nice. Another thing na color. This one na if you like am you use am. You no like am you leave am. So you fit use color, you fit leave am. The color wey I go use here na blue. You fit use your own pink, you fit use yellow, anyone. So we go look the next segment where we go do the production after. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Abeg, make you try subscribe to SabiMakeAm.com YouTube channel. Thank you. So welcome back to our channel, SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. Okay, before I don't tell you all the ingredients where we go use make toilet wash. But before you go ahead, before we start the production proper, e get some things wey dey very important. Like you see say I don't wear my coverall. These are some safety things that you should not ignore. you have to wear your gloves. No forget to wear your hand glove as you dey make this toilet wash. No forget to wear your coverall. Okay, at some time some people dusty things dey disturb them. Abeg, no forget to wear your nose mask. These things are very, very important. Okay, so the next thing wey we go do, like I don tell you before, we don ferment the caustic soda. Okay, we don keep am for days, so e don dey safe now to use. The next thing wey we go do now na to dissolve our nitroso. Like I don tell you before, nitroso na thickener, na wetin go make your wetin dey call am, na wetin go make your toilet wash dey very, very thick. Okay, e no go dey water water. Okay, so e dey very, very important say you go dissolve your nitroso. Like I don tell you before, the nitroso na the thickener. Now you go get to dey stir am as you dey dissolve am, so that e no go form lumps. If you no stir am well, e fit form lumps. E no go come dissolve well well. Now welcome back. We don keep our nitroso, the thickener, make e dey dissolve. E go dey dissolve like that. When e reach time for us to use, e go dissolve, but before e reach time for packaging, everything go don dissolve finish. The next thing now wey we go do na to put our soda ash inside water. We go leave am small. So we don put our soda ash for water. We turn am make e dissolve inside the water. The next thing wey we go put na wetin we know as our SLS, wey mean sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate, like I don tell you before, na foaming agent. So I go carry my SLS add for this water wey my soda ash dey inside, and my caustic soda still dey here too. Remember that one wey we don ferment. Why I tell you wetin ferment mean before? So I don add am now. This thing na foaming agent. I go add the next ingredient now, wey we know as sulfonic. Like I don tell you before, sulfonic na cleaning agent as well as foaming agent. So as I add am now, you go see the reaction. As I dey add am, e dey thick. As I dey turn am, e dey thick. You don see as e dey foam. Notice as e dey foam. So I go like call this bucket B. Where I don put wetin I don put here. I don put my caustic soda here. I don put my soda ash here. I don put my SLS here. Now I wan add another Texapon. I want make my toilet wash thick well well, and I want make it dey foam well well. So I go still turn am. Now I don separate this one. I get bucket A. You remember say for the first bucket, I add wetin I add my thickener for that bucket. The second bucket now, I don add my fermented caustic soda. I don add my soda ash. I con add my sulfonic. I don add my Texapon. All the foaming agents, I don add am here. Sulfonic, cleaning agent, I don add am here. So now wetin I go do next be say I go carry the first bucket, bucket A. E still dey dissolve o, but as I put everything, e go dissolve finish. Because any production wey you do, you go leave am for at least 72 hours before you use, or if you too much 40 or too small 48 hours. So I go carry bucket B, pour am inside bucket A. You don see the reaction. You see dey react, the foam dey come. You go stir am, make everything mix. Anything wey no dissolve now, you go keep am for some minutes. Everything go dissolve finish. Everything go blend. So as e stay dey go, na so e go dey thick dey go. As this thing dey stay, na so e go dey thick. So we go leave am for about 1 hour or 2, make everything dissolve finish. Then we go come complete am. We go add the remaining items. Abeg, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. We dey wait for your subscription. Thank you very much. We get plenty videos where you go dey watch there. You go dey get notifications for our videos. Welcome back. Please do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We still dey make our toilet wash o. As you don see now, everything don mix together. And e still dey very very thick. My toilet wash still dey very very thick. So I go add the remaining ingredients. I go add my color because I no wan make e dey white. I go add my blue color. Go turn am make e mix. The color na according to as you want am. If you want am make e dey very very deep, you go add am like that. If you want am make e dey light, you go still add am like that. But for me, I want make e dey very very thick. So I go add am plenty color. Go stir am well well. I like the way the color dey. The next thing wey I go add for this my toilet wash na my acid. You know, na this acid go make am comot stains for your toilet. This acid, the name na hydrochloric acid. So I go just take am. Some people dey dissolve am, but if you no wan dissolve am, you go dey careful. You see as e dey like say smoke dey come out. I go come add am. Go come dey react. Na why I talk say as you dey do production, you go get to use your personal protective equipment. You don see I don wear gloves. I no use my hand do am. you go wear your coverall in case e splash for your body. You go wear nose mask because of the fumes wey dey comot if you no fit tolerate am. So I don add my concentrated acid. I don stir am make everything mix. The last but not the least wey I go add for this thing na my perfume. Yes o, even if na toilet something, I go still make my toilet dey smell nice. So na the perfume wey I add be that. You fit decide to add plenty perfume o since na toilet, or you fit leave am like that. But I don add my perfume. I go allow make this foam settle small, then I go come package am for the container wey I go dey use wash my toilet, wey go dey easy, wey be say if I just carry am, I go just pour inside my toilet. Abeg, try subscribe to our channel so that you go dey learn new things. Na toilet wash we just finish so. Okay o, so na our toilet wash be this. I don package am finish for container wey go dey easy for us to use. If you wan use am for your toilet, you just open am like this. Thank you very much. Abeg, subscribe to our channel o, make you dey learn new thing. Your skill na your power. Thank you.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number